activities. So mamaya may sharing of practices tayo na gagawin. Review and finalize individual workplace action plan or WAP. I-review ulit natin yung inyong mga ginawa kanina and ipa-finalize. And lastly, display willingness to support the implementation of PLC at the school level. Okay, so yun po yung magiging objectives natin while doing this activity. May 23 slides lang po ako at mabilis lang po yung matapos. The professional learning community at the school context. Then we will know about the features of PLC, the framework of PLC, the PLC's major components which are the inset and lock, then the phases of implementation of inset and lock. Then the last one, the final activity is the review of the workplace action plan. So for our first activity, just look at the picture and describe or relate what you are seeing in that picture. Ano ang inyong masasabi sa inyong nakikita sa picture? Yes, Ma'am Jeff. Maraming ano yun.
Questions? Where do I begin? Where can I come?
So yun, may questions at parang tinatanong daw saan ba siya magsisimula, no? Dito sa table na to, ano masasabi natin sa picture? Yes, sir.
Don't know what to do.
Ano kaya?
They are blinded with Christians.
Galing sir.
Binulagan sila ng mga ano?
Ano yung ano? Yes, sir. Meron kayong ano? Then, medyo marami pang tanong. Medyo malabo pa raw ang dating at kailangan pang maging malinaw. Ayan. Dito sa table na to. Sir, baka may masasabi ka.
For me, the
Wala siya.
picture
Ay, nandiyan pala.
is, it shows mind-boggling concepts encountered by us in the pictures.
What message does this image convey? So yun na yung nasabi nila kanina, no? Maaaring ito ay nagko-convey na medyo malabo pa, marami pang dapat linawin, marami pang katanungan, marami pang sagot na dapat na matutunan. So, as a teacher, how can you relate this to your work? Paano natin i-relate sa ating trabaho? Yung nakita natin yun sa picture. Hindi naman ako sa kabila.
Apply immediately the concept.
So let's go to the next activity, which is about the insect lock journey. Ma'am, mapabigay na po ako na. So what we are going to do is to recall all experiences about insect and lock. Then highlights the activities that your school has or master teachers were doing. Write in the bond paper your takeaways in the template provided. So bibigyan ko kayo ni Ma'am Norma ng template natin. Along with the template ay may tatlong post implementation. Then the second column is inset and the last column is lock.
The DepEd would like to develop teachers in raising effectiveness of each teachers to the level of its best practices.
yung best practices natin as teachers in our school, doon po nila dapat magsasalat.
Best practices. What else? Yan ma'am, meron dito? Ano kaya? Bakit kailangan ng inset at lock? Ano yung bang gustong ma-build or ma-develop sa atin ng TEPE?
So you strengthen relationships among teachers.
Strengthen relationship, ha? Mag-aagawa.
Also for the professional growth of teachers and to address the needs of the learners.
Professional growth of teachers and to address the needs of the learners. Meron pa ba? Meron pa ba? Meron tayong ano eh, meron pa tayong discussion.
To be
Ayan. Professional learning communities is strengthened and practiced through inset and lock, which is contributory to the professional development. Tama yung sinabi ni Ma'am, di ba? Professional development of public school teachers and school heads nationwide. No? Para sa ating professional development, continuing professional development. So, yeah. Then, nandyan po yung ating features, framework, phases of implementation of professional learning community. So kung titingnan natin, ang nasa gitna ng ating framework ay improve teacher competence. No? Para i-improve ang teaching competence ng ating mga teachers. That is why nakapaloob dyan ang in-service training and learning action cell. Siya yung gagawin natin instrumento para i-improve ang teacher competence. Then, we have the implementation, pre-implementation, implementation, and the post-implementation. At ang lahat ng ito ay hinuhugot natin from the result-based performance management system or the RPMS. Di ba? Doon din natin nalalaman ano pa yung needs ng ating mga teachers. Okay. Under the PLC guiding principles, kailangan natin ng reflective practice, evidence-driven, flexible learning, holistic and continuing process, equal opportunity, and collaborative approach. Then, dito naman sa baba, sa Learning Delivery Needs Analysis, yung LDNA, ay maintain depth and direction, what are the emerging needs, the NIA priorities, professional competency standard for teachers and school heads, and the OPCRF for the school heads and IPCRF for the teachers. So yun. So yun yung features and framework ng implementation of professional learning community. And the two major components, yun na nga yung ating pinag-usapan, ay ang inset at lock. Ang inset, kadalasan ginagawa natin twice a year, no? Before the start of each semester. No? Bago simula yung first semester, dapat may inset. Then yung sa pagka mayroong midterm break, yung ating mga estudyante, mayroon din tayo rin inset. And lock naman, as scheduled, dapat mga ilang lock sa loob ng isang school year? 10. At least 10 lock sessions. Pero more than 10 ay ini-encourage pa rin natin. Okay.
at least
So for your last activity, ito na yung workplace action plan na sabi natin kanina ay gagawin nating assignment. Di ba? Yun yung ating ay ipapublish natin. No? Nabigyan tayo ng tips kanina ni Ma'am Heights bago mag-end ang ating session ng morning. Nadagdagan ng mga forces na dapat na i-maximize at i-minimize during Ma'am Nova's presentation sa session 6. And ang ating knowledge sa inset and lock ay pwede nating ma-incorporate with the help of the solo framework na makita doon. Plus, if you are aware of the IDF, di ba? Yung IDF natin, pwede na rin natin siyang i-incorporate dito. Pwede natin siyang ibangga sa IDF, no? Sa IDF, yung mga grade na training sa grade 7, no? Yung 4 C's, yung 4 I's, at saka yung 4 E's. Para sa pag-develop natin ng ating mga learning opportunities, so ng ating mga lessons sa ating mga estudyante sa ating mga eskwelahan. So, since yun ang ating usapan kanina, at medyo naubusan tayo ng oras sa gallery walk dahil ini-expect sana nila ay 5 groups na accomplished walk template na ang ginawa natin kanina ay naka-district, di ba? So, pwede kayong mag-usap-usap within your kasama sa district kung paano natin to i-review and i-finalize lahat.